Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with A and welcome to a lesson in our A-level English videos designed to help beginners improve upon their language journey. And in this lesson, we'll be looking at common greetings. Now what are greetings? Greetings are words or specific phrases we use to spice up conversation or just to talk to people we know or strangers for the first time. Some of the basic greetings in English are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you and what's up? Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are used as conversation starters. When you meet somebody for the first time, you can either say hello or hi, or depending on the time of the day, you can say good morning when it's morning, good afternoon for when it's afternoon, and good evening when it's the evening time. Now for how are you and what's up, they are used to inquire about the general well-being of the person you're talking to. You can ask them whether you know them or you just meeting them for the first time. After greeting them with hello or hi or the good mornings or whatever you choose, you can follow up with how are you or what's up. Moving on, let's see how you can introduce yourself with a few simple phrases. Now, after you've greeted somebody, it will be very respectful to introduce yourself, especially if it's required in the particular setting that you are in. For example, you are going to meet somebody, they don't know you, and you need to greet and introduce yourself to them. You can begin with hello, hi, or any of the greetings we have learned, and then you can continue with I am. Then you mention your name. An example is I am Sarah. Now, you can also say, my name is, and then you add your name to it. An example is, my name is John. Now, if the situation calls for, you can also say your age by saying, I am, then you put your age there, years old. For example, I am 20 years old. You can move on by telling the person where you live, and you can do this by saying, I live in, then you add your city's name. So an example is, I live in Alabama. Now let's see a conversation to reinforce whatever we have learned so far. John and Maria meet at the supermarket for the first time. Let's see how they converse with each other. Hi. Oh, hi, good morning. Good morning. My name is John. What is yours? I'm Maria. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. We see in this conversation, John and Maria used hi, good morning, and then they introduced themselves by mentioning their name and then ending their conversation with a pleasantry that is nice to meet you. I hope this was all very fun and understanding for you, and I hope the next time you meet somebody, you can introduce yourself or greet them successfully. This will be it for our lesson on greetings and introductions. Now, if you want to learn more about English grammar, you can find our book, or if you need more lessons, you can also find our website and book a private lesson or a group lesson for yourself and your peers, all in our link. I'll see you in the next lesson.